everyone, it's Savannah. Since we've been on the road for a few weeks, I thought I'd give you an RV tour. Our RV is a Kodiak ultra light 28-foot RV. So it's big for us, but for other people when they got like the big giant RVs, it's tiny. But I'm gonna show you what's inside and how it looks and how we set it up. How we set it up inside. Alright, let's go in. Before we go inside, don't forget to thumb up this video and subscribe. Let's go in. So first, you'll walk into the living space. Here is the dinette. This is a U-shaped dinette. All 5 of us can fit here. Next to the U-shaped dinette, there's a TV. We just put our TV up here, and there's also cabinets down below, which we hold our games and other supplies that we need, like tools. These are just miscellaneous drawers too, because sometimes you have something and you're like, what do I do with it? So we just stick it in there. But yeah, that's our drawer. And then next to the TV is our kitchen. We've got a double sink, which is really helpful because you got for dry, like clean dishes and dirty dishes. My mom can't live without her smoothie, so she brought her Vitamix along. You've got a stove where we make mac and cheese for lunch. We make a lot of mac and cheese. You've got an oven, which we actually have brownies in currently because we bake in that oven all the time. And you've got a microwave up here. Here's our refrigerator. It's kind of small for a family of 5, but we make it work. Got like 40 waters in there. Some cheese. And then that's our refrigerator, but then we have a freezer up here where we keep our ice. Well, we have to make ice because it's an ice maker. We're living in the olden days. We're making ice. See? It's pretty good. She mostly uses it for her smoothies though, so I barely get any ice. That's okay. I don't really need ice. This is our bunk bed. This is the part that makes the RV a bunkhouse because it's got one bunk bed on the top, which is my brother's, and one on the bottom, which is mine. Because I like when Gracie comes and sleeps with me, because I like when she jumps up and then she lays right next to me. In case you didn't know, Gracie's my dog. You're also probably wondering, why is this pool noodle here? What is the point of this? Well, actually, my brother kept sliding down on the wood, and he chipped the wood, not over there, over here. He chipped it so bad, and my dad got so mad, so we decided to do a DIY hack, and cut the pool noodle where it goes right over it, and then he can slide down all he wants. Across the bunkhouse is our pantry. So it's little space, so we use as much as possible. But we've got some spices up there, cereal over here, and we got mac and cheese, and then down here is just a couple extra stuff that we need, I guess. Yeah. Alright, well actually in here too is a bathroom. It's a small bathroom for 5, but we do make it work like everything else. It has the mirror, which opens up, which has our other stuff in there where I'm not going to show you this stuff. And then here's another one, which has got lots of more stuff, just stuff and stuff for a bathroom. It's got a toilet, and then this is how you flush it if you were wondering. There's no actual like thing. You got a sink, 4 cabinets. So there's lots of cabinet space for our stuff, which is good. And there's hooks there where we hook our towels or our bathing suits. This is a shower too. It also can be a bath. It's a really small bath otherwise. And if you're wondering what this is our laundry. Here it's our laundry basket from Paris. It's not actually from Paris. It's my theme in my bed, or my old bedroom. And so we just use it as our laundry basket now. Because, we put it in there because, like, we don't have space for it. So we're not always using the shower, so that's where we put it. And yes, we got a curtain. I love our curtain. I think it's really pretty. But, yes. Oh, and behind the TV, I didn't show that before, so let's go over here. Before we go into the bedroom, I wanted to show you, or tell you, because I can't really do it myself. This turns into a bed, like a full bed, but all you have to do is take this table down, take the legs off, put the table on it, and there you go, you got a bed. Well, you have to put the cushions down and everything. But yeah, that's where my brother sleeps. Now here's my parents' bedroom. It's not very big for him, but That's all I got. They've got 2 cabinets. Each one of them has a certain cabinet. And this is their bed. This is their bed that they sleep on. It's really comfortable. They actually, I want to tell you, they actually ordered a foam mattress, like a foam mattress to put under this to make sure they're comfortable enough. What? Look, like it's actually... They bought this to make it more comfortable. It actually makes it really comfortable. I think I need one of these. That's a good idea. This is my parents' bed. This is my parents' sleep. And then this is for my little brother. He sleeps on it on top of his bed to make it comfortable. And then up here is storage where we store like stuff. Yeah, store stuff. And then each of my parents get one of these, which has clothes in it. So my dad gets that one and my mom gets this one. And then they also get a TV, which doesn't seem very fair. But they get a TV. But we also play Xbox on this TV. So I guess it's kind of fair. And this room actually has doors if they wanted to shut it off. In the kitchen, I also miss the storage down here. We store like forks and spoons and knives in here. And you've got like oven stuff up here. So, see, it's packed full. Oh, and also over here under the sink where we just keep stuff. Yeah, you got dog bones tied. Because remember, guys, we don't have a dryer or a washer machine. There you go, a washer machine. So we have to go to the actual laundromat and pay for doing our laundry. So that's it, guys. That's our RV. It's really small for 5, and yeah, but it's okay. Like I said, we do make it work as much as we possibly can. We've lived in it for a few weeks. And so 2 months of this. I think we can do it. I think we got it. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you're on our YouTube channel on Baby Gizmo for On the Road with Baby Gizmo episodes. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye, everyone.